The War of the Wall by Tony Cade Bambra. Part 1. Me and Lou had no time for courtesies. We were late for school, so we just flat out told the painter lady to quit messing with the wall. It was our wall, and she had no right coming into our neighborhood painting on it, stirring in the paint bucket, and not even looking at us. She mumbled something about Mr. Eubanks, the barber, giving her permission. That had nothing to do with it, as far as we were concerned. We've been pitching pennies against that wall since we were little kids. Old folks have been dragging their chairs out to sit in the shade of the wall for years. Big kids have been playing handball against the wall since so-called integration, when the crazies cross town poured cement in our pool so we couldn't use it. I sprained my neck one time boosting my cousin Lou up to chisel Jimmy Lyon's name into the wall, when we found out that he was never coming home from the war in Vietnam to take us fishing. "If you lean close," Lou said, leaning hip-shot against the beat-up car, "you'll get a whiff of bubble gum and kid sweat, and that'll tell you something, that this wall belongs to the kids of Taliaferro Street." I thought Lou sounded very convincing, but the painter lady paid us no mind. She just snapped the brim of her straw hat down and hauled her bucket up on the ladder. "You're not even from around here," I hollered up after her. The license plates on her old piece of car said New York. Lou dragged me away because I was about to grab hold of that ladder and shake it, and then we'd really be late for school.